Well, I'm on the road again. Always happy when I'm on the road. This region is very famous for its kiwi fruit, and here we have, ta-da, the biggest slice of kiwi fruit you will ever see in your life. That is huge, so cool. And I'm going to climb to the top of it, okay? I'm going to climb right to the top. Here I go. Well, I thought I was going to climb to the top. There used to be a door. There is a door at the side, but it's locked today. And you used to be able to go in and climb up the stairs, and there's a window at the top you can look out. So I was going to climb to the top, but I can't today. Very disappointing. The campground has very good kitchen facilities. I ended up having a bit of a nap after my walk. I woke up, it was quite late and dark, and I didn't want to cook outside in the dark, so I actually used the campground's kitchen cooking facilities. They're very, very good. They have the electric cookers, we've got microwaves, toasters for breakfast, table and chairs here where you can sit down and eat with your family or friends. And also lots of sinks and washing stuff here so you can wash and clean up. So very good facilities here. I cooked a simple dinner. I just had a piece of sirloin steak and a little bit of vegetables. Okay, so I'm heading off back to the van. Might have a little glass of wine or something nice. Maybe a cup of tea and a muffin. That sounds good. And then I'll talk to you again in the morning, eh? We'll have another look around. Well, good morning, guys. Had a pretty good night's sleep. It was a very cold night, actually. Very, very cold night. But I was quite warm and snug and very, very comfortable inside the van. These mud flats out here, when the tide goes out, there's a lot of mud. And when the water's very shallow, you can walk out. When the tide's right, you can walk out with a piece of wire or a stick, and you can actually catch a flounder. You can see them on the bottom just through the water, and you can catch them. And I didn't go out this morning, but someone else here at the campground went out and they got a few flounders, and I'm very lucky they brought one over for me to cook for my breakfast. This one here. Okay, I've prepared the flounder, taken the stomach out, cleaned them all up, and he's ready to go in the pan for breakfast. Oh, beautiful. Right, it's about time for me to hit the road. It's been a wonderful time here at the Bledisloe Holiday Park in Little Waihi. So if you Google that, look it up. It's just a great place to come and stay in your camping van. Great facilities and just beautiful, beautiful scenery too. You can go into the water and collect shellfish, pippies, catch flounder, eat the flounder for breakfast, cook it for dinner. Beautiful. Okay, we'll talk again soon, eh? Take care, everyone. Keep safe.